So I got this knocking sound on my engine. I can't figure out what it is. I think I've narrowed it down to a lifter or a rod knocking, and I can't tell which of the two it is. But maybe somebody out there has some advice for me. I'll let you hear the knock that I hear, and it's always from start to finish knocking. Right now it's kind of quiet. The engine's warm, but it sounds like it's coming from the left side or passenger side of the engine. But I have no idea. I've just changed the oil in it and added a Lucas oil treatment to it as well, and it still seems to be doing it. Seems like after I run it for about 20 minutes, it'll kind of stop. But then as soon as I start it back up, or turn it off and start it back up, it's right back there like nothing ever happened. And it does go faster with acceleration. So if you have any ideas, let me know.